Hey guys, this is River Dave with Team RDP. I'm here to show you one of the most exclusive, if not arguably one of the nicest listings in Lake Havasu today. Welcome to 1650 Sailing Hawks Drive, number 143. The moment you come through the front door and see this view, you're going to fall in love. This particular house is a Phil Albright design, but it has been dialed in by the Sheets family, from the full artisan, can-made, custom light fixtures out front, hand-textured painted walls, Venetian plaster. The list goes far too long to list in this video. What we are looking at is a 3,540 square foot house, 4 bedrooms en suite with an additional half bath, making it a 5 bathroom. Full entertaining capabilities, sound throughout. The inside is first class, oversized island, all stainless appliances, pool, spa, putting green, obviously the $1 million view. The RV garage is 24 by 56, absolute ease of accessibility. Large boats are not a problem. Once again, we are in a gated and exclusive community, but yet we're only still minutes from the launch ramp. Moving on to the casita, it has its private entrance. It again is en suite, private bathroom, private entrance, great for entertaining and having friends over. This house has more value for the dollar than anything that we can find in the upper end of Havasu.